images option. 7 images option, so you can upload 7 images of your product on Amazon listings. And so you can use, firstly you can use all the 7 images option, so that the buyer will attract, or buyer will the product description or the product functions can be clearly buyer can see. So that's why you can use the main images, and also use the infographics in that, also along with the lifestyle should be added. And lastly, comparison images. So these you should not you should be considered before designing the Amazon listing images. Or next thing is that things when we design in the Canva, or the to remember in Photoshop. So if you're designing in Canva, so then you should, or even Photoshop. So first of all, you use the text, less text, more